it's Jenna, and I am here for the second palette in our After series, After Hours. So yeah, today we're going to do a look with this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you like the look I make or the series, hit the like button. And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, let's get into the second palette of our After series, After Hours. This is a very pretty palette, very, very pretty. Lots of pinks. It's a very pinky palette. So we are going to do a look with this. So first, prime eyeshadow primer. Okay, let's get some brushes and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off by using Lustful. We're gonna use that as our transition shade. Just barely, just tap, because it's, like I said, a very soft shadow, lots of fallout. Gotta make sure you don't want to take your brush and just whoosh, because you'll have shadow everywhere. We don't want that. So my husband's home again today. We just have all kinds of issues with cars and tires and all of it always happens right before we're about to find new cars, and it's just it's a whole thing. I like that. It's a nice transition shade. Okay, so now we're going to go into the crease area with Flushed. We're going to use that as our crease shade. Such a pretty, like, rose pink color. Okay, now in the outer corner, I want to go with Cabernet, which is this beautiful, like, berry red. So we're going to take an E.L.F. crease brush for that. Pop that right there in the outer corner. So pretty. It's windy out today. I'm so over winter. I'm so ready for spring. Bring me some warm weather, sunshine. I'm sick of my winter wardrobe. I feel like I've been wearing it for a year. Sometimes you just want to change it up. Can't change it up until it warms up. We're gonna go in with the color Eye Contact. Right there. It's like a pink. It's got like a brownish shift to it. Very pretty. We're gonna put that on the lid. Why did I grab that? I don't want that. I want this one. This INMO shadow brush. See how it goes on dry with a brush. Wondering if this is more of a topper type shade. May try a different technique. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try something. I'm gonna go into that Cabernet, which is that red we put on the outside. I'm actually going to pop that all over the lid. Now we're gonna go into that Eye Contact color on my finger and pop that right in the middle. This one might work best wet. Yeah, we're gonna take this Hard Candy setting spray and we're gonna spray the brush. That was kind of a lot. we're gonna go back into that and pop it on. There we go, that's better. There's the pigment. Go over it with a finger, some dry shadow. There we go, that's better, much better. Now we go back in with Cabernet. Just kind of blend it in a little. Okay, in the outer corner, we're actually gonna go in with Hickey, and we're gonna deepen up the outer corner with another E.L.F brush. Take that flushed that we put in the crease, blend that in a little better. Now take a clean blending brush, blend out those edges. Blend, blend, blend the edges. Take the crease color Lustful and just kind of use that to help blend out the edges. Okay, now we need to go in with some eyeliner. I'm going to use the E.L.F cream eyeliner, the eyeliner brush by Color Workshop. Okay, I'm going to pop on lashes, put the rest of my face on, and we will be back to finish the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm back. So now let's finish up the bottom lash line, and to do that, I think I'm just going to take some flushed, run that along the bottom. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Cabernet and throw that about halfway to the outer crease. And then take that Hickey color, the Hickey, and put that just on the outer third. Take a clean blending brush and just buff it out. And now we're going to take the gel or the cream liner from E.L.F. Give me a Q-tip. Liner brush right there. Dry out the waterline. Just drew on my hand. And that, no, we're not done. We need mascara. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Some E.L.F waterproof mascara. And that is it for the eyes. Very pink. This is a very, very pink palette. And my thoughts are, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Although I feel ghostly. I don't know if it's the light or just... Okay, I'm gonna run down what I used on my face. So I used the new Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. The cap rolled away from me. I have to find it. And I use that in the color 410, which, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it says on the cap that is ivory. And then I use Coty Airspun loose powder. I used my Milani to contour, butter bronzer to bronze. There's something in my eye. I used Tarte in the color Feisty for the blush. For highlight, I used Mary Luminizer by The Balm. What am I forgetting? Oh, E.L.F. concealer. And I believe that's it. So, yeah. That is the second palette in the After series. Stay tuned. We'll do another look with this palette. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday at 10 a.m. And yeah, keep tuning in because I have a lot more palettes to get through. So I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.